dolls, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make the witch's hat bracelet. This is how it looks like. Very simple. Things you're going to really require is a loom. I'm going to be using a monster tail because then the video would be too long if I show you on the loom. But I will show you how to convert it to the loom. Let me first tell you what you need. You're going to need a hook. You're going to need you need 11 bands in the inside. The limit is 11 bands. And you're going to need 34 for the outer. I'm going to be using white, this bluish, pinkish band, and silver. And you're also going to need a C-clip or an S-clip. So now let's get my loom. Alright, here it is. This is how your loom probably looks like right now. And now you're going to take off that middle piece that I just showed you right now. And you're going to take it off. Then you're going to take off the other middle piece. And then you have to make sure both of them are off and then put them so they are parallel. So just like that. So make sure they're both parallel. Let's do it to the next one. And then make sure it clips. And then this is how it looks like. And now let's get started. Okay, so here's my monster tail. So first you're going to get your first inside color. Also, you're going to be doing the same steps on your rainbow loom, like the loom. And now I'm going to get my color and put it straight like this. Like that. Then you're going to get your next color and put it on top. And now this is what you should have. Now get your next color and you're going to keep on going on top of the loom. But since I'm using a monster tail, it is done. Alright, here is my monster tail. And now let's start adding the outer. So take your rubber band, your white rubber band or your colored outside rubber band and put it diagonally. And then take your next, take it better. And then put it on top and put it into like a straight line. And then do the rubber band back up. And you're just going to keep on going forward on your loom. And then put it like that, the rubber band. And now go back to the bottom and then do the same. Okay, now this is how it looks like. Now we're going to put the other rubber band diagonally. Now, next step. Now time for the cap band. Place. Get your rubber band, twist it on your finger once. Then place it on the first pin where the little red arrow is. Just like that. Okay, now we're going to get our loom and get our hook. Put our hook inside and take the bottom band, which is the colored band, and pull it out and place it to the other pin. Then put your hook inside that pin and take the bottom band and take it out and put it, let me try to take it out. Put it to the opposite pin, right where we took it out first. Like that. Now we're going to do it to the other two. Okay, there it is. Now moving on to the next step. Alright, so you're going to get your hook and put it inside of the cap band and take the bottom band and bring it to the other side. So diagonally. I'm gonna pull it kind of like using my finger, and then there. Now, it's kind of different on the loom and the monster tail, but it's pretty similar. You just go under and take the band under your colored band. So don't take the very bottom band, just take the one that's under your colored band. And once you took it out, bring it to the other side. Okay, now we're going to take it and put it to the other pin. It takes a few tries because there's a gray band on top. Okay, now that I've gotten it on, we're going to go inside the pin and get the bottom band that's under the colored band, which is always the second last one. And then bring it to the other pin. And you're going to repeat that step all around. So, yeah. Alright, now let me show you the other part. You put it in, you take the band under the colored band and bring it to that first middle band, like this. And now you're going to go all the way to the bottom and do the same. I'll come back once I'm done. Okay guys, now it's time to take it off. I'm kind of scared, but so you're not going to take it off from where the cat band is. You can take it off from the opposite side, so it's where it doesn't have the red thing from here. So you're going to bring it in. Oh wait. Yeah, it's over here. You're going to bring in your hook. And then bring in your rubber band and put it into the thing. So watch. Put it in. Okay, perfect. And now bring it to the other row. Now it's time to peel it off. On your loom, it'd probably take a little longer, but mine is probably going to take not that long. You want to take at least one peg at a time. Usually I always do that anyways. Oh my god, it's so cute. I might actually make this on the entire loom. So this is how it looks like. This is how tiny it is on the loom. So that's why, this is how tiny it is on the monster tail. That's why you use a loom for this. The band accidentally got off the hook. So I'm going to put it back on the hook and then show you how to do the next step. Okay, now we're going to get our rubber band and put it on the hook. Now take the other rubber bands and put it around the hook. And let's do that again. Put the thing on the hook, then take it and take the other bands and put it around the hook. Very, very simple. And you just keep on doing it. Make sure to like and subscribe. Bye-bye, pastels.